Hello everyone, my name is Charles. I'm in 609. Today I'm going to read this book, Woodpecker Girl, written by Qingyan Liu and Aisen Chen. I'm a woodpecker who loves to draw, but I can't hop on branches or fly freely in the sky like a real woodpecker. My brain lacked oxygen when I was born. From that moment on, my body and my brain have worked against each other. When I want to greet someone, my neck works back. When I want to talk, I can only make ee-ah-ah sounds. When I want to smile, my face looks angry. I had to start school sooner than other children. I needed to learn how to keep my body in balance and control the turning of my neck. I use my hands and feet to feel the shape and temperature of things. I'm just learning how to talk. These things might be a piece of cake for most people, but for me, they are very difficult. You might wonder how it feels to see other children jumping and playing when I can only stay in one place. I hear people sing. If I could sing, would it be beautiful? All I can do is sit quietly. My little sister chases and plays with our puppy Coco all day. They have such fun together, but I feel sad. I want to play with Coco too, but my wheelchair might roll onto him. Coco loves to put his paws on my knees. I know he wants to cuddle with me, but I can't. I try to accept the way that I am. At first, I had no friends because I got angry so easily. Trapped in my body, I was angry because no one understood what I was saying. I couldn't exercise, go shopping, or play with my classmates. Mom said that my physical disability didn't mean I couldn't have friends. It all depended on me. Mom was right, so I tried to change. I started talking with my classmates using a computer. Now I have some friends. One of my friends is like a big sister to me. She can do so much. She can play the piano. She can sing. She can bake too. She says that one day she will open a bakery filled with music. It will bring happiness to all of her customers. To be continued. Thanks for listening.